Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today we will be drawing a line art flamingo. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And you can also connect with me through other social media as well, like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and request anything that you would like me to draw by commenting below. So let's get started, and I will also show you how I color it as well, and the full color drawing at the end of this video. So as you can see, it's a very easy drawing, and this is the full color drawing. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below for you to buy products from. And there are other patterns and drawings as well, so you can check it out, and it's on lots of products that you can buy. And now I put some next videos for you to check out next, including my line art playlist. These are very easy drawings that you can draw within few minutes. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I will see you Wednesday. Bye.